Turkey gifts Lithuanians Bayraktar TB2 for Ukraine. In a surprising twist, Turkey will offer a Bayraktar TB2 armed drone for Lithuanians to give to Ukraine. In late May 2022, Lithuanians had raised 5.9 million euros in less than 4 days to offer a TB2 drone for the Ukrainian armed forces. The crowdfunding was an initiative of local media channel Laisves TV. On June 2, 2022, Laisves TV founder Andrius Tapinas announced that Turkey would instead gift the aircraft for Lithuanians to offer to Ukraine. This emerged after a meeting of the Lithuanian Ministry of Defense with its Turkish counterpart. Consequently, 1.5 million euro of the money collected will still be transferred to the Lithuanian Ministry of Defense to acquire additional weaponry for the TB2. The rest of the money, 4.4 million euros, according to the wish of the gift-giving Turkish side, will be used for humanitarian, defense, and logistic help for Ukraine, Tapinas explained. We will have a meeting with experts in Lithuania and Ukraine, and will decide how the money will be spent. The Turks also promised to decorate Bayraktar with the Lithuanian and Ukrainian colors, Arvinas Anusaskas, the Lithuanian Minister of Defense added. The delivery will also be accelerated by the drone maker Bayraktar Technologies with an objective to fly the aircraft to Lithuania in the next 3 weeks. It will eventually be delivered to the Ukrainian armed forces currently fighting back the invasion of their country by Russia. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more military content. Thank you for watching.